Dear students, today our topic is determination of wages under piece rate system in cost accounting. So, at the time of determination of wages under piece rate system, we have to calculate the wages of the worker on the basis of quantity produced by the worker in a given period of time. Suppose in a day a worker produced 100 units, and as per the agreement with the worker is entitled to get rupees 5 per unit as the wages. Then his wages for the day will be 100 units into rupees 5 per unit, that is rupees 500 will be his day wages. That is on the basis of number of units produced or quantity produced by the worker. Wages will be determined by multiplying the quantity produced into the rate per quantity, rate of wages per quantity. There are two piece rate system, ordinary piece rate system and differential piece rate system. Ordinary piece rate system is very simple. Under this system, wages is calculated on the basis of units produced, by the worker during a certain period of time. Time may be day, week, month, year, whatever be the situation. For every worker, there must have a prefixed rate of wages on the basis of the agreement with the worker. The wages payable to the worker be determined by multiplying units produced by the worker with rate of wages per piece of output. The formula may be written in this way. So, wages equal to units produced, that is the quantity of production, quantity of output, into piece rate applicable for that worker or for the concerned worker per unit of production. If 100 quintal is produced and piece rate is rupees 5 per quintal, then wages will be 100 quintal into rupees 5, that is rupees 500 per day. Now come to the simple illustration here. In a factory, there are two workers, Anil and Sunil. The rate of wages is rupees 8 per piece. In a week, they produce 240 units, 225 units respectively. Ascertain the weekly wages of Anil and Sunil under ordinary piece rate system. So, for both the worker, rate of wages is rupees 8 per piece. They produce 240 units and 225 units respectively. So, wages is equal to units produced into piece rate. Wages of Anil, 240 units produced by Anil, rate is rupees 8. So, rupees 1920 per week is his salary. Wages of Sunil, 225 units produced by Sunil into rupees 8 per piece, rupees 1800 is the weekly wages of Sunil. Now, differential piece rate system. Under this system, different piece rates are applicable depending upon the level of efficiency to which the workers belong to. Every worker has different level of efficiency, and for different level of efficiency, if different piece rates are applicable, then that is called the differential piece rate system. Up to certain level of efficiency, the normal piece rate of wages is allowed. That is, a minimum piece rate is guaranteed for every worker. But the worker with higher efficiency will get higher rates of wages. As a result, the workers with lower efficiency will get lower rate of wages, and the worker with higher efficiency level will get higher rates of wages. The following example may be sufficient to explain the concept. Suppose the normal piece rate is rupees 25 per unit. Now, if this is the differentials applicable in a factory, see the differentials up to 80% of efficiency, normal piece rate is allowed. The worker with above 80% but up to 100% efficiency will get 110% of normal piece rate, that is rupees 25, 110%, rupees 27.50 per unit. Now, worker with more than 100% efficiency but up to 120%, they will get 120% of normal piece rate, 25 into 120%, that is rupees 30 per unit. Now, worker with more than 120% efficiency will get 130% of normal piece rate, 25 into 130%, that is 32.50 per unit. So, with the increase in efficiency, the piece rates are increasing, and workers with less than 80% efficiency are getting normal piece rate. Now come to the illustration. A company engaged in producing a product named GLX SLR decided to apply differential piece rate method of wage payment, and the differentials to be applied in the following way. Up to 80% efficiency, normal piece rate; above 80 up to 90%, 110% of normal piece rate; above 90% up to 100%, 120% of normal piece rate; and above 100%, 130% of normal piece rate. There are two workers, A and B. They all have worked 40 hours in a week. The standard output per week is fixed at 240 units per worker. That is, standard output per worker per week is 240 units. And a week means 40 hours here. During a certain week, they produced 220 units and 190 units respectively. They actually produced 220 unit and 190 units respectively. Standard hourly rate is rupees 18, and the standard time to manufacture an article is 10 minutes. Here the time rate is given, that is hourly rate rupees 18 is given, but we are dealing the problem of piece rate system. So we have to calculate the piece rate. How that could be done? Now, standard time to manufacture an article is 10 minutes. So a unit require, but an article require 10 minutes time to produce. So in an hour we can produce 6 units. Now hourly rate is rupees 18. That is, we may call that rupees 18 is the wages paid for 6 units. So the normal piece rate is rupees 18 divided by 6 units, that is rupees 3 per unit. So in the solution part we have done that in the first step. Number of units produced per hour 6 units, that is 60 minutes divided by 10 minutes, and normal piece rate, hourly rate divided by units produced per year, rupees 18 by 6 is equal to rupees 3 per unit. Now come to the second step. Calculation of efficiency of worker. Now here we have to calculate efficiency on the basis of output. So worker A, actual output by standard output into 100. This is our formula, what we have learnt in our earlier videos. 220 units by 240 units into 100, that is 91.67%. Now for worker B, 190 units divided by 240 units into 100 is equal to 79.17%. That is, worker B is below 80%, efficiency of below 80%, and worker A with efficiency between 90% to 100%. Now the calculation of applicable time rate. For worker A, as its efficiency less than 100%, Normal piece rate into differential applicable in his case is 120%. Now you see the earlier slide, it will be clear that 90% to 100%, 120% of normal piece rate. So 120% of normal piece rate, rupees 3, 120%, 3.60 per unit. Or for worker B, his efficiency is below 80%. So in that case, normal piece rate is applicable, that is rupees 3 per unit. Now calculation of wages of worker A and B, units produced by them as given in the problem, 220 unit, 190 units. Piece rate applicable as we have calculated in point 3, 3.60 per unit in case of A, rupees 3 in case of B, and wages is calculated by multiplying column 2 and column 3, that is 220 units into 3.60, 792 rupees, and in case of B, 190 units into rupees 3, 570, 1362 total amount of wages payable to both the workers. So today up to this, please see our